it's Boomer.
Moose.
Moose.
Agua.
Today we are going to be exploring a creek that we haven't explored with you guys yet.
Ah!
Wait, where did you jump?
There. Oh my God. What? Eat. So what?
It's slippery.
Oh my God. She's going for the upper body approach.
At this point, we found a cliff-looking thing and ran around it and jumped off. So that's it.
Play.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna get you one for Christmas.
Oh, thank you. You also really want me to face plant.
When you get I'm gonna get you one.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is really fun filming.
Yeah.
And we're most likely gonna be coming back tomorrow with better POV shots. So
And some rope.
And rope.
Yeah.
And rope and bathing suits.
No.
No, it's too cold for that. It's the middle of January. Anyway, say happy